What's going on, guys? Kyle Berg here. It is about 7 o'clock on Wednesday. Being patient, guys, is key. Everything is continually growing. You got to use obviously proper risk management. You got to use a little bit of analysis, followed and topped off with my great, awesome little friend tool called the BBM Elite. Guys, we're crushing it here. So definitely trading as a team, trading as a group is a blast. It's super fun. We're up to 113 pips and counting, and most of these trades are not even halfway to my target. So looking for another awesome, profitable week. You guys stay awesome, and I'll talk to you soon, all right? And yeah, get back to the person who got your roll and start catching these pips with us. Start using the amazing tools we got. And guys, I look forward to profiting with you, all right? Take care.